Hello, it's a beautiful day again. No rain, luckily. And today is the day when I'm gonna lift the bed. And now there's nothing left on it. Only the two motors, the main motor and the rapid traverse motor. But I will remove them when the lathe is on the bed. I have the bed strap now. I think this is a 5-ton, 5,000 kilogram strap. And it's 3 times over. And this is the same. And it's 2 times. So it should be okay. And here I have a third strap to keep it tilting from this direction. And I already tried to lift it. And it seems like it's going okay. But now it is time for the real lift. What I'm gonna do first is to lift it up and then pull the beam in. Keep it as close to the truck as possible to make it as easy on the crane as possible. This is gonna be a pretty tough lift for my old crane, but it should do it just fine. And that's the electrical box. I'm gonna take it off after the bed is lifted. I mean, to take it away. It's already been taken off the lathe. And I think the trickiest thing is gonna be making it fit right there between the shop and the truck. And on the bed I have just enough room for the bed right here. So let's start the lift. I'm gonna show you as much as I can, but I'm probably gonna have to put the camera away after some time. But let's see. I think this is probably the heaviest thing I have lifted on this crane. If you remember my shaft grinding machine, axle grinding machine, that was also pretty heavy. Maybe about 1.5 tons. I don't know how much this bed exactly weighs, but it's over 1.5, probably less than 2,000. Okay, let's get started. First I'm gonna start the truck. I'm gonna use the main cylinder now, because it's the strongest. Here we go, this is the big moment. And the lathe is in the air, finally. Let's see if the beam cylinder is strong enough to pull that lathe in. Yes. This is pretty scary right now. But so far everything is going very well. Okay. We have liftoff. I think I'm gonna have to put the camera away now, but now you can believe me that I have lifted this lathe with my crane. Wow. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.